it's Andrea here. Welcome back to my channel, aka my internet home. So for today's video, I'm going to be talking about this really awesome brand that reached out to me via Instagram. But before we get into that video, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you don't miss any more videos. And now that you've joined the family, we can get right into it. So today I'm doing this review slash haul for this brand Sojos Vision sunglasses. I hope I'm saying that right, but in case I'm not, I'm just gonna put all the information down below in the description box, so make sure you check that out. This brand reached out to me on Instagram and they were basically just like, hey, we enjoy your other YouTube videos and we'd like to collab with you. And I went and I checked their Instagram page and their Instagram is super cute, so I'm gonna put that in the description box down below too. Don't mind my broken nail. Of course, I was just like, yes. And they were like, awesome, go ahead, pick out 3 pairs of sunglasses and then we'll ship them out to you, and then we can get we can get this ball rolling. I did pick out 3 sunglasses and they sent me 4, which was really awesome. I don't know if that was a mistake or if they just wanted to send me 4 sunglasses or, you know, whatever. But I'm really grateful, so I just want to say thank you to Sojos Vision's sunglasses for reaching out to me so I can get this video out here. So I'm just going to show you the sunglasses that I picked up. I want to show you the packaging of the first pair. It came packaged differently than the other 3, but this isn't the free one that they sent me. This is one that I picked up for myself, and it came in this really pretty, almost Tiffany blue packaging. Like, oh, it's so pretty. And then it just says Sojos on the front. It was in this case, you know, sunglass case. And you can take this out and put the sunglasses in here. These are the sunglasses. I'm trying not to blind you guys. I'm also gonna insert pictures like on the side, maybe like right here. They are called So Shine. Honestly, these guys are so cute. They're like, they're this metal, like gunmetal pink, and they're reflective, obviously. And look, these right here, these sunglasses right here, honey, these are a look. These will be traveling, these bad boys will be traveling with me. So, you know. Oh, and it also came with these sunglass cleaner. The sunglass cleaner was in here, like the little fabric used to clean the sunglass. And this little, I didn't know what this was to begin with. So when I open it up, it's actually like a screwdriver in case the sides of your sunglasses get loose. You can just go ahead and unscrew this, and it's a little tiny screwdriver, and you screw it back to tighten your sunglasses in case you need to tighten your sunglasses, which I think is absolutely amazing. Everything else came like this. So it came in this box, and it's just a black box, and it says Sojo on it. Then you would just slide it out the box, and then, haha, I have it upside down. It's like in this kind of envelope-y box. It's triangular and it just says Sojo, has the brand logo on it, the cleaner, and I don't know what this is actually. The cleaner and like manufacturing instructions or manual, whatever you want to call it, I don't know what you call it. That's in there too, in the envelope. Inside, this box is magnetic. Inside is where the sunglasses are, and it just says, see the extraordinary. These glasses are the BLUESKY glasses. That's the name of them. These aviators, and the lens is blue, like a dark blue, and then the frame is gold with a little bit of black right here at the end. So this is what they look like on. These are bad. Ooh, yes, honey. And I like the fact that the frames, not the frames, I like the fact that the lens is dark blue and it's not just like black. It's not as basic. So this is so cute. So like the blue and the gold, oh, it's so cute. And I do love gold. I love gold jewelry. I know it might not look like it because my watch is not gold, but like my rings are gold, my necklace is gold, like, yes, boom, this is great. So that's just how the rest of the sunglasses came packaged. So these are the next ones I picked out. These are called Queen. They're oversized and they're in a gradient purple. This is what they look like on. Oh, these are cute too. I did good. I did real good picking out these sunglasses. I already said they were gradient purple and the frames around it is gold, but they also do have like a little outlining of black around the purple, which is so cute. And I love the crisscross detail. I don't know if you guys can see that. The crisscross detail right there in the center. Gorgeous. The brand's name is like really lightly imprinted on the inside of the glasses. I don't know if you guys can see that. Like right there it says Sojos on the inside. And then the last pair that they sent me, you know, the extra pair, I don't know the name of these actually because I didn't pick them out. But it's just these and they're like little... Are they aviators? Would you consider these aviators? I don't want to call it cheetah print, but it kind of looks like cheetah print, like the frames. I think the lens is like a gradient black, and then the frame itself is a like cheetah print-ish, and then the band right here. I really don't know the anatomy of sunglasses, so don't come for me. This little part right here is silver, and then this part right here is that like cheetah print again. So that's cute. It's a little hard to put these on with my eyelashes. They're kind of long. Actually, these feel so comfortable with my eyelashes. I don't know if my eyelashes, the ones that I have on right now, if they're not that long or if these just like have enough space. Once again, I am so thankful to Sojos Vision sunglasses for reaching out to me and collaborating with me on this video. So that is it for today's video. If you guys saw any sunglasses you like, feel free to go click the link down in the description box. Also make sure you use my code Andrea37 to get 15%, yes honey, 15% off of your next purchase. I love you all so much and I can't wait to see you in my next one. Bye.
My little baby, change your bracelet. There's a hook break on the